Sabine Iway. Alright. Now the way I see she is very tall. And, probably taller than me. And she is a contestant of our princess. Okay. Wow, look at that.
Konnichiwa minasan. My name is Iway R. Sabine, 10 years old, from Ganmaken! Isang Pilipino, mabuhay! I'm proud to be a Filipino. Mahal ko kayong lahat at mahal ko yung Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po!
Wow, there's nothing for me to say. Ang galing-galing naman. She's just 10 years old. Imagine nung 10 years old tayo. Hindi natin kaya. Wow! Alright, let's move on. Open up this day. Miss